All right, let's cut to the chase. Your mission briefing to escape the matrix starts now.
Yeah? Sound familiar? We didn't operate on feelings. We ran on orders and systems.
Look, here's the thing. Most veterans don't need more motivation.
I mean, come on. You already had enough discipline to get through the military.
So what's missing? What you really need now is structure. And here's the critical difference. A hobby runs on how you feel. A real business runs on systems. So if your income depends on how you feel when you wake up, you don't have a business. What you have is a hobby. Because real, successful businesses, they run on systems. Period. Keep it simple. One offer, one way to get traffic, and one follow-up engine. And this right here, it's a proven structure that just plain works. Okay, now let's add your secret weapon, your force multiplier. We're talking about your AI fire team. It executes these systems for you relentlessly. Think it works? One full-time dad used this system to make this in just 4 months. And here's why it's so powerful. AI doesn't get tired. Your automations, they are never going to procrastinate. You just have to build the system once. And then you improve it weekly. That's it. Now that is how you escape the civilian matrix. Want more veteran-built AI systems just like this? Make sure you subscribe and follow.